Hey everybody and welcome to the Bullshit Party. And in this one we'll be taking a look at my experience of owning the Apple AirPods Pro for an entire year. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. First of all, I'd like to say that these are not my first Apple headphones. I got the regular AirPods Series 2 when they came out in early 2019 and I had them up until I got these. The Series 2 were great, well, for the most part. The phrase jack of all trades but a master of none comes to mind. All around, a great product with much potential. Now fast forward to the end of 2019 when Apple released the AirPods Pro. Better sound, better battery life, and most importantly that all too good noise cancellation feature. Everything seemed great, but things aren't always the way they seemed. And if you're not familiar, this is what the case looks like, and it's very important for me to show you this because I'll be sending these in a couple of days from now to the shop. As you'll see in just a bit, the date of filming this part of the video was October 5th. See, the AirPods Pro are an unbelievable engineering achievement. They're compact, great to listen to, and if you have an iPhone, easy to use as 1-2 sandwich. It's a great product, but there's only one small fault with them. They break. A lot. As a matter of fact, this is going to be the third time I'm sending back mine for repairs. The first time was because the right headphone started making a buzzing noise when transparency or noise cancellation were on, which from what I understand is a fairly common issue. But no problem, I sent them to the repair center and in less than a week I got a replacement. And everything was fine and dandy for about 2 months, when all of a sudden both headphones, yes, the new one and the older one, started making the same buzzing noise. So again, I sent them to the repair center, got 2 new headphones back, and I haven't had a problem since. Well, since a couple of days ago. And because my AirPods Pro are still covered by warranty, I wanted to rush and get this done as soon as possible so that Apple can cover the cost. The issue this time is that the left one started to buzz again, which is something familiar to me, but something else started happening a couple of days ago. For some reason I've been having difficulty wirelessly charging the case. So this repair will be taking a bit more time, I'm sure, since they need to order a new case. So let's do a cool transition and I'll see you on the other side. And one cool transition later, it's now November 10th. And to be perfectly fair, I didn't have to wait an entire month to get the headphones back. Just wanted to make sure there aren't gonna be any more issues with them before making a video. This last visit to the repair center got both the left headphone replaced and the case. So in total, I've had both headphones replaced twice and the case once. Not a great track record, and that's owning them for only a year. In total, I've had my headphones out of my reach for about a full month. Which, I don't know about you, but for 1 year of owning them, seems quite a lot. And again, to play the devil's advocate, I'm probably not Apple's best customer when it comes to this product. Because of what I do, I wear my headphones 7 to 8 hours each day, which might be the reason for the quick deterioration. And talking about the main issues, I've had the headphones sent back to the service center for the buzzing noise when the noise cancellation or transparency mode were turned on. Apparently Apple instated a policy in which they extend the warranty for that particular issue for an entire year, on top of your current warranty. But just in case, you might want to check out if this is applicable to your country. And even with all the problems I've had with this product, I don't regret spending a single cent on it. And the difference is night and day between these headphones and any other brands I've tried with similar capabilities. Which brings us a bit off topic, but I promise you it's gonna be entertaining. Now, because I knew the AirPods Pro were gonna be taking a bit longer this time, and I need to have wireless headphones on me, I had to find a temporary replacement. And I found one. And they're not great. Cue the JBL Tune 120 TWS, whatever that means. A third of the price with the 20th of the quality. All I have to say about these is stay away. Even if the JBLs last me a lifetime and they don't break ever, I still wouldn't recommend them. The product's very poorly made, has horrible ear fit and bad sound, which was surprising considering JBL is one of the largest audio component manufacturers in the world. Maybe I'll make a video about them sometime in the future, but for now, let's circle back to the topic of the AirPods Pro. And what I can say here is that if you're looking for a comfortable, reliable, and easy to work with product, get the original AirPods. Had those for almost a year, not a single problem with them. Gave them to one of my friends, he's had them since then, and still no problems with them. But as far as the more complicated and more expensive AirPods Pro, for me, it's totally worth the buy. And aside from the 3 times, well actually 5 times I've had them replaced, as I said before, I don't regret spending a single cent on them. And let's just acknowledge that even though I had them replaced several times, it was all on Apple's dime. So I can't really complain that much, can I? And I think with that, we're gonna be winding down to an end here. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like. And if you're new to the channel, well, welcome and go and hit the subscribe button. Patreon links in the description. And with all that, I'll catch you in the next one.